Hey guys, it's Tuesday, I'm Marcos, and before we get started, I've got this amazing thing that I need to show you. You know how you could be needing a stapler, and you're like, oh shit, there's no staples in my stapler. There's no staples in any stapler. I bought a stapler that needs no staples. Like, look, watch. See these two pieces of paper being two pieces of paper? Okay, now. Ta-da! The only thing holding the paper together is the paper. Moving on. This week is Ridiculous Song Week, where we take songs that we find have an absurd principle to them and sorta run with it. I am going to sing a song for you. And, okay, I'm not going to sing all of it. And I'm not going to sing all of it only because part of it goes really, really fast. I will probably leave a link in the area, you know, the downstairs area to the whole song so that you guys can listen to it because I freaking love this song. But, yeah, and I don't know, we'll wing it from there or something. I finished at the height of my high school. They said I could do whatever I wanted to. I thought about it for a while, and then I answered with a smile. I choose failure and regret. Failure and dreams I never met. Failure and regret. Failure and dreams I never met. I learned to follow rules and be repressed. My parents were so proud of my success. I could say that it was fun, but I'd be a liar. 4 years like a match with my head on fire. Failure and regret. Failure and dreams I never met. Failure and regret. Failure and dreams I never met. It's a long way down, and there's so much further to go. So much further to go. Uh-oh. Like I said, there's a link in the downstairs area. Kick-ass stapler. I'll see you guys next Tuesday.